Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what a good score means on Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a popular service that gives you free access to your credit scores. But it's important to know that the scores you see on Credit Karma are not the same as the FICO scores that most lenders use. Credit Karma provides scores based on the VantageScore 3.0 model. So, what does a good score mean with this specific model? On a scale of 300 to 850, a score in the range of 661 to 780 is considered good. A score of 781 to 850 is considered excellent. Having a good score on Credit Karma generally means you have a solid history of managing credit. This can lead to better chances of being approved for loans and credit cards, and possibly at more favorable terms like lower interest rates. However, remember that lenders have their own criteria, and they may use a different scoring model. The key takeaway is to use your Credit Karma score as a tool to monitor your overall credit health. You can use it to track your progress and see how different actions, like paying down debt, affect your score over time. Focus on the habits that build a good score: paying bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and maintaining a long credit history. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.